Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how your muscles change with exercise. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. There is a lot of unscientific and baseless information that talks about muscle growth, which only leads to misleading and wasting athletes' energy. That is why we have decided to make a video about this to practically describe the muscle growth process. In this video, we try to provide a complete explanation and deal with this phenomenon away from baseless data and from a scientific and principled perspective. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Muscles need three things to grow: muscle tension, muscle damage, metabolic stress. Exercise stimulates muscle activity and depletes muscle energy stores. Exercise also causes microscopic damage to muscle tissue. After exercising, the muscle needs to repair the damage by consuming its energy reserves. Assuming that the amount of damage is sufficient, neither too much nor too little. The muscles adapt to the new conditions during the repair process, resulting in muscle growth. In short, the muscle adapts to the exercises, and the next time the exercises are repeated, it performs better. There are three types of muscle adaptation: neural, hypertrophic, and metabolic. Increased muscle strength is mainly the result of nerve adaptation, which strengthens the muscle's electrical storage. The result is that the nervous system commands faster and engages more muscle fibers, leading to stronger muscle contraction. The increase in strength that occurs in the early stages of bodybuilding is due to the same nerve adaptation. Still, in the long run, the increase in strength results from an increase in muscle size. Increased muscle size results from hypertrophic adaptation resulting from the increased cross-sectional area. It is a muscle fiber. There are generally two types of muscle fibers in muscles. Type I, slow twitch, endurance. Type II, fast twitch, strength. Exercise-induced hypertrophy further affects type II muscle fibers. The result is that as a muscle grows, so does its strength. During metabolic adaptation, the biochemical properties of the muscles are enhanced to improve oxygen and energy utilization. This process strengthens muscle endurance. As you can see, neural or strength adaptation occurs first, followed by hypertrophic or volumetric adaptation, and finally metabolic or endurance adaptation. If you are just looking to increase your muscle strength, you should exercise like a weightlifter. If you are just looking for endurance in your muscles, you need to train like an endurance runner. But if you are looking for adequate muscle mass, you should look for hypertrophic adaptation. You should avoid neurological or metabolic adaptation as much as possible. You need intense muscle stimulation to achieve hypertrophic adaptation. To grow muscles, you need to train them to the best of their ability so that they can no longer continue. You have to whip your muscles to grow. During exercise, the muscle gets its energy from a substance called adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP. This unit of energy has three sources: phosphocreatine, glycogen, and oxygen, which act as a domino and are used respectively. When you start your workout, phosphocreatine first produces the energy you need. This substance is stored inside the muscle and is always on standby but only provides the energy needed by the muscle for about 10 seconds. Then, glycogen enters the scene and takes over the energy supply to the muscle. The chemical reaction and conversion of glycogen lead to lactic acid production. Accumulation of lactic acid in the muscle causes pain and burning. After 2 to 3 minutes leads to severe muscle fatigue. The first two sources of energy, phosphocreatine and glycogen, are anaerobic, meaning that the body uses them without the need for air. When you do an exercise set to the best of your ability, the extra lactic acid in your muscles causes severe pain in your muscles. Breathing becomes faster and more intense because your body is looking for a third source of energy, oxygen. The blood flow to the muscle tissue increases to get more oxygen to the muscle and remove excess acid from the muscle tissue. This intense flow of incoming blood inflates the muscle like a balloon, called a muscle pump. Exercising a muscle as much as possible is a kind of attack on the muscle. After this attack, small ruptures in the muscle occur that lead to muscle pain and burning for a day or two after exercise. During recovery, muscle glycogen and phosphocreatine sources are rebuilt using carbohydrate and protein food sources, and small muscle tears are repaired by protein synthesis. This muscle regeneration and repair process leads to the production of more voluminous muscle tissue. Muscle rupture is an essential part of the muscular hypertrophic process. It takes about 5 to 7 days to heal the tears caused by heavy training. Therefore, after a heavy workout and an all-out attack on the muscle, you should give the muscle enough time to repair itself. According to the theory of muscle adaptation, when you put a muscle under stress and pressure, the muscle adapts to the existing tension and, as a result, grows. If the tension you put on the muscle remains constant, after a while, it will reach a stable level of adaptation, and as a result, growth will not occur. Usually, after 2 weeks, the effect of adaptation to exercise disappears. For this reason, you should gradually increase the amount of tension and pressure on the muscle over time. Simply put, for more growth, you should gradually lift heavier weights and do this every 2 or 3 weeks. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.